The heaviest-duty copper motor immersion blender by Müller Austria is a remarkable product offering exceptional performance and durability. Designed with titanium steel blades, this hand blender ensures powerful blending and chopping abilities, making it an ideal kitchen companion for various culinary tasks. One of the standout features of this immersion blender is its multiple speeds, allowing users to easily adjust the blending intensity based on their specific requirements. Whether you need to quickly blend a smoothie or puree ingredients for soups and sauces, this product offers versatility and precision. The blender's capacity of 20 fluid ounces is perfect for both small and large quantities of ingredients. It allows you to effortlessly prepare recipes that cater to your personal or family's needs without any hassle. Furthermore, the compact design of 5D into 5W into 5H ensures it won't take up excessive space on your countertop or in your kitchen cabinets. Müller Austria.
Ovente Portable 5 Speed Mixing Electric Hand Mixer. The Ovente Portable 5 Speed Mixing Electric Hand Mixer is a reliable and efficient kitchen appliance designed to meet your mixing needs. With over 10 years of writing experience as a product marketing expert, I assure you that this review is based on my honest assessment of the product. One of the standout features of this hand mixer is its adjustable speed control. This allows you to choose from 5 different speed settings, giving you the flexibility to mix your ingredients at the desired consistency. Whether you need a gentle stir or a quick whip, this hand mixer has got you covered. The sleek and compact design of the Ovente hand mixer makes it a portable option for those who enjoy baking or cooking on the go. With dimensions of 8.3 inches in diameter, 3.2 inches in width, and 7 inches in height, it can easily fit into your kitchen drawer or be taken along on your culinary adventures. The Mixer of Durable.
Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Hand Mixer is a top-notch product that delivers excellent performance and convenience. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing product reviews, I can confidently say that this mixer has all the features to meet the needs of everyone. The Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Hand Mixer stands out with its vibrant red color, adding a touch of elegance to any kitchen decor. Additionally, its compact dimensions of 9.9D into 3.3W into 8.4H make it easy to store, ensuring it doesn't occupy unnecessary space on your countertop. One of the standout features of this hand mixer is its stainless steel blade material. This ensures durability and long-lasting performance, so you can rely on this mixer to assist you in all your culinary endeavors. Whether you're mixing batter for cakes or kneading dough for bread, this mixer handles it all effortlessly. The 6-speed control feature allows you to adjust the mixing speed according to your specific.
The Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Hand Mixer is a reliable and efficient kitchen tool that delivers exceptional performance for all your baking and cooking needs. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing, I can confidently say that this hand mixer stands out from the competition. One of the key features of the Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Hand Mixer is its versatility. It offers 6 different speed settings, allowing you to choose the perfect speed for your recipe. Whether you need to whip egg whites to stiff peaks or mix cookie dough, this hand mixer has you covered. The intuitive controls make it easy to adjust the speed as needed, providing precise control over your mixing. In terms of design, this hand mixer is both functional and stylish. With its sleek black color and compact size, it will complement any kitchen decor. The product dimensions of 5.8D into 9.4W into 9.6H ensure that it won't take up excessive counter space, making it ideal for even the most compact.
The Ovente Electric Immersion Hand Blender is a powerful kitchen tool that is perfect for any home cook or culinary enthusiast. With its sleek design and vibrant red color, it adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen decor. One of the standout features of this immersion blender is its 2-speed setting, which allows for greater control and precision when blending. Whether you're looking to create smoothies, purees, or soups, this blender has got you covered. Another great aspect of the Ovente Electric Immersion Hand Blender is its BPA-free construction. Safety is a top priority, and this blender ensures that no harmful chemicals will be leached into your food. The slim stick design of this blender makes it easy to handle and maneuver, allowing you to reach into tall pots or bowls without any hassle. It's also incredibly lightweight, making it comfortable to hold for extended periods of time. In terms of performance, this immersion blender delivers exceptional results. Its powerful motor.
The Ovente Portable 5 Speed Mixing Electric Hand Mixer is a reliable and efficient kitchen appliance that will elevate your cooking and baking experience. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I can confidently say that this hand mixer is a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their culinary skills. One of the standout features of this hand mixer is its compact and portable design. With dimensions of 8.3D into 3.2W into 7H and weighing just 1.8 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to handle. You can easily store it in your kitchen cabinet or carry it with you while traveling, making it a versatile tool for any cooking enthusiast. The vibrant red color of the Ovente hand mixer adds a touch of style to your kitchen decor. It effortlessly combines functionality with aesthetics, making it a visually appealing addition to your countertop. Equipped with a powerful stainless steel blade, this hand mixer efficiently blends, mixes, and whisks a variety of ingredients.
Brand Hamilton Beach Color Green Product Dimensions 3.6D into 8.5, W into 11.8, H blade material, stainless steel special, feature manual controls, type push button item, weight 3.13 pounds. Model name Vintage Style 5-Speed Electric Hand Mixer by Hamilton Beach is dishwasher safe. Yes, container material plastic. The Hamilton Beach Vintage Style 5-Speed Electric Hand Mixer is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. With its sleek design, vibrant green color, and compact size, this hand mixer not only delivers exceptional performance, but also adds a touch of retro charm to your countertop. One of the standout features of this hand mixer is its powerful motor and 5-speed control options. Whether you're whipping cream, mixing batter, or kneading dough, you can easily adjust the speed to achieve the perfect consistency for your recipe. The push-button controls are responsive and intuitive, allowing for effortless operation. The stainless steel blades are not only durable, but also ensure efficient mixing.
The Cuisinart HM50 Power Advantage 5-Speed Hand Mixer is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance that delivers outstanding performance. With its sleek white design, this hand mixer adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop. One of the standout features of the Cuisinart HM50 is its 5-speed settings, which allow for precise control and customization based on your specific needs. Whether you're mixing batters, kneading dough, or whipping up some fluffy whipped cream, this hand mixer can handle it all with ease. The compact dimensions of 4D into 8.25 W into 8.75 H make it easy to store and handle, while the lightweight 1 kilogram construction ensures comfortable and convenient use. The push-button controls provide simple and intuitive operation, allowing you to effortlessly switch between speeds while working on your culinary creations. Another notable feature of the Cuisinart HM50 is its dishwasher-safe nature. This means that after you've finished using it, you can easily...
The Ovente Portable 5-Speed Mixing Electric Hand Mixer is an impressive product that I had the pleasure of reviewing. As a product marketing expert with over 10 years of experience in writing product reviews, I can confidently say that this hand mixer offers exceptional performance and versatility. One of the standout features of this hand mixer is its 5-speed adjustable control. This feature allows users to effortlessly switch between different speeds to achieve the desired consistency for their recipes. Whether you're whisking eggs, mixing batter, or preparing dough, this mixer provides the flexibility needed to achieve perfect results every time. The Ovente hand mixer also boasts a sleek and compact design, making it easy to handle and store. With dimensions of 8.3D into 3.2W into 7H and weighing only 1.8 pounds, it is lightweight and portable, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced bakers alike. Another notable aspect of this product is its high-quality cons. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.